Hi, I'm David Yu, and this is my latest video on my BMW M2 competition. Here at a lovely sunny Bedford Autodrome today, ready to test out the newly refettled suspension on this. Had a great time at Spa Nürburgring recently, but I couldn't adjust the Nitron adjustable coilovers. They were stuck in fairly safe soft mode and weren't the best on track, a bit blowy, etc. So since had them replaced under warranty, fantastic service from Litchfield as normal, and they've now been replaced. Are supposed to be very adjustable. I've also had thicker Eibach anti-roll bars fitted to reduce rolling corners. Litchfield's own kinematics kit that replaces a lot of the bushings with firmer bushings or solid uniball bushings, tighten up the back end in particular. Very interesting to see how it goes. I've also had the gear linkage bushings replaced from soft rubber ones to polyurethane, and that's dramatically improved the quality of the gear shift. So anyway, I'm going to take it out on track now and see what it's like in the road settings in left it on, which are a bit stiffer than the previous ones. See how it gets on this dry track. I've refitted my lovely 763M wheels with the Cup 2s on them. It's a nice dry day. So I'll see how I get on the road settings, and I'll try it out, stiffening up the suspension, see whether that improves it further later. So stay tuned.